So, we're here in the new Pixar Pier, and I thought this would be a great opportunity to show you how I shoot on rides, a roller coaster outdoors like the Incredicoaster. So, stick around. California Screamin' was always one of my favorite rides in any Disney park. And now that it's been rethemed as the Incredicoaster, it actually adds a whole new element of fun and excitement that wasn't really there before. It's really even better than it was before. So I'm going to shoot on this ride. You can stay on here with me. I'm going to go through the whole thing. I want to shoot a fisheye lens this time because my favorite part of this ride is the upside down, is the loop-de-loop. And I love shooting on that part of it. Try to get the whole Pixar Pier logo in there, the whole ride, the whole track, all in one shot. So I'm going to shoot with a fisheye lens, a little bit of setup to get ready for this. Basically, it's a nice sunny day. I'm outdoors. I don't have to worry about my shutter speed or anything like that. I know that I'm going to be able to shoot at a really, really fast shutter speed, even at f4, but I'm turning my ISO up just a little bit to 200 just to make sure I have the fastest shutter speed I can have, because I'm going to want to freeze motion while I'm on here. So just a little bit of planning. Make sure that you have your settings right before you even get on to make sure that your shutter speed is going to be fast enough. And focus on a fisheye lens is basically everything's in focus, so you don't have to worry about that. So you can really just manually focus to infinity and not worry about it. I'm ready to go. You just want to make sure that you have a spot. I'm going to shoot for something in the middle of the train this time, a middle car, so I can try to get some of the rest of the ride vehicles in the shot with me. It's fun sometimes to be in the front row, but in the front row, if you're shooting forwards, you're not going to have the ride vehicle in the shot. So I want to try to include some of that also. You're going to want to make sure you have a buddy with you, and you're going to want to make sure you both have fast passes, because this ride gets crazy long sometimes. So let's go. Let's check it out.
Keep your eye on Jack. No problem, guys.
The start to this ride is one of my favorite in any park. If you hear some screaming, it might be my friend Jessica here. If you hear some high-pitched screaming, it might be me. Let's go.
5, 4, 3,
I'm not ready.
2, 1, go!
Let's see how that came out. Thanks for coming.